This is one of the reasons why the 95% of the Forex traders are frustrated today. And before I became a successful Forex trader, I had already encountered with this same issue. And that is the reason why I am making a video about it right now. If you know that you don't have a capital to start trading for free in 2025, this video and this channel are for you. All you have to do is to make sure that you subscribe right now so that you won't miss out on our videos. Alright, because right now in this video I will be showing you how you can get a free $1,000 Profem account, free funded account for you to start trading your Forex account without deposit. Alright, so make sure you stick to the end of this video so that you won't miss out on the necessary and important part of this video. The terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit will be very well discussed. Yes, you heard me right. You can be able to withdraw your profit from this free funded account that I am about to show you. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. And also, if you are not a Forex trader but you are interested in making money online in 2025, this channel is also for you. A link will be available in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. Make sure you click on the link, join my Telegram channel. In there, you will have access to money making update and free money opportunities in 2025. So now, without wasting too much of our time, now that you are done subscribing, the link to get this free $1,000 Profem account or free funded account will be dropped and will be pinned in the Telegram channel. And once you click on the link, you'll be brought to this interface showing up right here on our screen. And this is the name of the broker. And this is the name of the broker that we are going to be using to get our free $1,000 Profem account. Alright, so once you get to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to register since you are a new user. So enter your country, enter your email, and enter your password. And once you're done, click on this box and click on register. Let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So once you are done with the first step, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. And the next thing for you to do is for you to verify your email. So go back right now and check your email. A code has been sent to you. The next thing for you to do is for you to now go there and click on the code or copy the code and paste it here. But since it's not going to require us pasting the code, it definitely means that we should click on a particular link in our email account. So right now, head on to your email account and click on the link. This is me getting to my email account, and the next thing for you to do once you get to your email account and you see something like this on your screen, the next thing for you to do is for you to verify your email. Click on verify email. And once you click on verify email, it's gonna bring you to this place. So wait patiently for it to load. Alright, so it's gonna bring you to this interface. I don't know why it is kind of slowing, but it's definitely going to bring you to somewhere like this. Alright, and as you can see, your email address has been verified. So we are going to be using this broker to get a free $1,000 Profem account right now. So make sure you pay attention, because this place you really have to pay attention. This is where the workings is being done. So in order for you to get it, the next thing for you to do is for you to scroll down. Alright, scroll down and click on more. This is more down here. Click on more, and as you can see, there are a lot of things over here, but in order for us to get our free $1,000 Profem account, we are not going to look at everything. We are only going to come here to do what we are here to do. Alright, so click on competitions. So once you click on competitions, make sure you click on demo. Select demo. And once you select demo, make sure you click on upcoming. Alright, select demo and click on upcoming. Right, so this is the Profem that we are going to be claiming right now. This is the free funded account that we are going to be claiming, and as you can see, People are already participating in this free funded account, and you haven't joined yet. And as you can see right here on our screen, we haven't joined yet. All right. So this is the prize pool that are going to be given to the winners. All right. And this free funded account will start in 2 days time. It will start in 2 days time. All right. This is the date. It will start in 2 days time. So, and I believe that some of you should be able to get this and be able to withdraw from this from this free funded account. At least one of you in my audience, or 10 of you in my audience, you should be able to get this bonus and be able to trade it and withdraw from it. So now, without wasting too much of our time, let me just show you how you can get it, how you can get your own. And as you can see, this is it. Entry fee is for free. Entry fee is for free. All right. So now, just click on somewhere in this box. Just click on it. Click on it. Click on anywhere. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. It's going to bring you to somewhere like this. And as you can see, compete every week by trading virtual funds. Just go through anything that you want to go through. And here, as you can see, this is T and C. T and C. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to a place whereby you are to read a PDF. So this PDF is going to comply the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. All right. But right now, we are not here for this. You can always go back to this place. You can always come back to this place and do anything. All right. So now, as you can see, this is the guarantee amount that will be given to the winner. All right. Guarantee amount that will be given $25,000. So in order for you to get this free funded account, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on start competing. Click on start competing. But in order for you to start competing, in order for you to get this free $1,000 profit free funded account, you have to verify your account. And just click on verify account. Verify account. So once you click on verify account, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. So click on verify. Click on verification. Click on verification. So once you click on verification, you have to verify your phone number. You will have to verify your phone number right here, and you will receive a code. Now that our phone number has been verified, the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your first name, your middle name, your last name, your date of birth, and click on continue. Let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So once you are done with that one, it will bring you to somewhere like this, whereby you have to enter your address, your city, your street number, your postal code. Let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So once you are done with the other part, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this, whereby you have to fill in the necessary details. Let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So once you get to this place, this is where you are going to be uploading your ID, your proof of address, and all other things. Alright, so click on continue. So my account has not been verified because of some reasons, but right now I'll be showing you how you can get your own when your account is being verified. So immediately your account is being verified, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on more. Click on more. Click on competitions. The other place where we go the other time, just click on competition. Right now you have been able to get it, but I will show you how you can, where you are going to see your login credentials. Click on demo. Click on demo. Click on upcoming, and this is where you are going to see your credentials. This is where you are going to see your credentials. All right. So once you get to this place, you will see your credentials over here. You'll see your credentials, and I want you to note that this is where you are going to be trading your free $1,000 free funded account. This is the platform that you are going to be using. So this is where you are going to see the necessary things that you have to see, and also your login credentials will be sent to your email as well. It will be sent to your email, but you don't need it in your email, you need it here. So this is where you are going to start trading. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Don't forget to claim this bonus immediately. It will soon end in 2 days, and if you have been able to get yours, Make sure that you drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you guys. Bye.